Back at it again here at the garage, and I've got the weed eater hood. I'm sanding it down. Trying to make a black hood for the Poulon. I got to get these where the stickers used to be. I got to sand that off. If you're saying put the old hood back on, the old hood's fine, but the grill is gone. Plastic. So now it's going to have this hood, and I'm thinking glossy black. Maybe there's going to be some flat black. Maybe there's going to be some of that yellow on there. Here in the paint shop, and the weed eater hood is now black. It's a Poulon hood. If you look close, there's a flat black stripe, two glossy, semi-glossy. The top is flat black. And if we go to the other side, this other side has two future yellow stripes. It's supposed to be a thin one and a slightly thicker one. And they're almost straight. Got the yellow paint right here. I gotta save some for one of my back wheels too. It needs to be repainted. It's the original. So we'll do the other side. We'll pull the paint off. We'll put the hood on. Put the grill back in it. We'll be good to go. Let's do a reveal. That would be one big stripe. If I can get this tape off my fingers, I'll show you two little stripes. Alright, you can let me know what you think. Just like that. And now on side number 2, the stripes have been masked off. Side number 2 has been painted, waiting for the paint to dry. And over on the other side of the shop. And here on the other side of the shop, the boy is painting his cowling fresh red. We are now on side number 2. It is reveal time again. One of my favorite parts. So I've got my cowling all cleaned up. I sanded it, cleaned it. I got the red paint. That should look better. And now the cowling is a pretty bright red. Shiny. Right here with the Poulon, I got a broke hood back off, and I've got the cowling off the engine, and my dipstick, this grommet, it's all rotten. It's probably leaking dirt, water, who knows what's been going in there. So that's coming out. We'll clean that up. And I got a new one already on the dipstick tube, a new used one. And the cowling's been all prettied up red. Time to put it back on. I think it's neat that that's threaded. This is threaded. The thread's right in there. Here is the old broke hood compared to the new painted hood. I'm liking this new hood. It's kind of hard to see, but you got a glossy black, a flat black, two yellow lines. And if we pop the hood, I clean the gas tank. I got the cowling back on, dipstick tube, grommets in. I even cleaned the valve cover. You can't see it. And this old air filter cover, it goes away. The boy has found me a newer looking one to be replaced with this one. Oh, I got one more wheel to paint, and then I'm going to clean it up. Be nice if I had another seat. Be ready for the car show. And eventually I'll probably paint the back fenders, but not right now. This is the last wheel in the Poulon with the original paint. I'm going to spruce it up with a little bit of gloss golden sunset. It'll look good. It'll match the stripes up on the hood. The pretty fresh and shiny paint job is now drying. Up next, I'm going to put on some tire shine. We'll put the wheel back on the mower. It is looking right, or better. So my tire's all ready to go back on. I got to air it back up still. Right here in the mower wash station, that one's getting cleaned up. That one just got washed, and I'm about to change the seat out. That nice seat is now on. I took some sand, I did a scrub and got most of the rust stains off of it. I think I'll put some tire shine on it, make it nice and pretty, and that way when you go around the corner you might slide out.
Is that 4-cylinder? It's half of a V8.
Yep. And all you have to do is put the other half of the V8 on this side.
I don't know that it would fit, but you're right. That's exactly how.
Yeah, if you find the other half, it does fit on.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Oldest car here.
Which one's that?
It's a 1934 Model A sitting right there with the yellow wheels.
Oh yeah.
Somebody just hit the roof when I got one of them.
He's doing it! Woo! Jesus! And there it goes taking off.